Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make an LC connector. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a precision fiber cleaver, a fiber optic stripper, and a crimping tool. Make sure you also have the specific LC connector components, including the ferrule, housing, and boot, along with the appropriate epoxy. Working in a clean, dust-free environment is crucial to ensure optimal performance and prevent any contamination during the assembly process. This preparation sets the foundation for a successful connection. Next, we prepare the fiber itself. Begin by carefully stripping the fiber optic cable, exposing approximately 30 to 40 millimeters of the bare fiber. After stripping, it's vital to clean the bare fiber thoroughly using 99% isopropyl alcohol and lint-free wipes to remove any buffer residue or contaminants. Finally, use a high-precision fiber cleaver to achieve a perfectly flat, 90-degree end face. This precise cleave is critical for minimizing signal loss and ensuring a strong connection. Now, let's assemble the connector. Apply a small, consistent amount of the specified epoxy into the LC connector's ferrule. Be careful not to overfill. Then, gently insert the prepared, cleaved fiber into the ferrule, pushing it through until a tiny amount of fiber protrudes from the ferrule tip. This ensures a solid bond. Once the fiber is in place, cure the epoxy according to the manufacturer's instructions, which often involves a specific temperature and time, typically around 15 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius. The final steps involve polishing and testing. Using a multi-step polishing film process, carefully polish the connector end face to achieve a smooth, defect-free surface. This typically involves several grades of film, from coarse to very fine, ensuring a high-quality finish. After polishing, visually inspect the end face under a microscope for any scratches, pits, or contamination. Finally, test the completed LC connector for insertion loss and return loss, using appropriate equipment to confirm it meets industry standards, ensuring optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.